For me, the airplane or helicopter, the government, you should require each each passenger in the airplane or helicopter or private airplane, to the passenger, each one of them has a parachute, because they will pay a big sum amount of money for the ticket of the airplane. Then their lives is not secure by the but but their life were not secure what's going on in the airplane. For example, for me, I don't ride an airplane. Then I really like to ride an airplane. That's my one of my ambition, my dreams. Then from now on, I'm afraid to ride an airplane because 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I can see at my instinct, my hula, my I can see of my mind that there are lots of airplane will be crashed. Almost 6 airplane will be crashed, and I think it will happening now, right now. Then for me, I'm afraid to ride an airplane because there's no parachute. Like what happening in the Indian airplane, di ba? Then there are so many lives who put in danger. Then they are silly to to get they are silly for them, the passenger will die because of the bad happening of the airplane. Then the airplane they will ride it on crash. Then all the passenger there, I think it become an ashes. Then if for me the government should, even though it's very expensive having a parachute, for me the government issue is required for the passenger airplane, a private airplane or helicopter, that each one of the passenger in the hipapawid airplane or helicopter, they have by their own beside them a parachute, so that anytime if they're having a danger to ride the airplane because the airplane going to crash, then if the passenger will have a chances to save or rescue themselves, it is lucky for them. Like what happening in the India, then the airplane is so mabagal pang na-crash, become into ashes na born. So kung may parachute daw yung lahat ng mga if there lots of passenger there has on parachute, I think many lives were saved on that moment, on that time. Like me, I don't experience ride an airplane